Eric. So, super thank you sa lahat kasi ever since nag-start kami ni JP, alam mo naman yung journey ko na may iiyak, tatawa, sobrang krung-krung. Pero thank you talaga sa lahat ng advice. Sa mga, kahit isang tanong ko lang, sobrang haba ng advice mo. So, super thank you and sana yung gusto mo talagang gawin, magawa mo na at maging happy ka. So, what's up, G? What's up? Sana sa last day mo, payagan mo na akong itulak ka. Yun lang talaga. Sige, bye-bye.
Bye. Ako si Jennifer Padilla. Joke. Tumatawa si Shelly. Alam ko hindi na to surprise. Dahil sa IMS. Pero anyway, I hope you have fun and follow mo lang yung sinabi ko sa'yo na enjoy mo yung free time mo habang nandun pa. Mag-gym ka, sama mo si Xavier. Tapos, balik-balik ka pa rin sa baba kasi hindi ka na pwede pumasok. Tapos sana magpa-party ka naman, tapos may libre yun. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Hi, Eric. Hi, Eric. Hi, Eric. Seriously, I wish you good luck. Sa kung ano man ang gagawin mo. Hindi namin alam. I wish you find what you're looking for. Kung ano man yun, na hindi rin namin alam. Ano pa ba? Yan, good luck. Kami yan. Ikaw pa. Diet tayo ha. Sige, bye.
Hi, Eric. I wish you all the best. I wish you luck. Now you're leaving. It's time for you to go. It's time for you to set another... I do not know, but whatever it is, I wish you luck. Well, just like others say, sometimes you leave, sometimes you stay. Now you're leaving, we have to move on. Eventually. But, so there.
Anyway,
kaganda.
wala akong maisip.
Edit yan ha.
Sige. Hi, Eric. Now that you're leaving, I can't deny the fact that I'm nervous. But with all of the pieces of advice you gave me, I know that I can do it. Thank you. But seriously, Eric, I just want to say thank you for everything. Yung mga advice mo, in and out of the office, talagang I can use it, I know. And ikaw yung nag-prove sa akin na even the nice guys make it through dito sa industry na to. Kasi diba palagi sasabi, kailangan you're tough, you're mean, but you prove na sometimes kahit you're nice, you can do it. You just have to be good at it. So, yun, yung leap of faith mo, good luck, and I wish you can do everything that you want because you deserve it. Bye-bye.
Kung saan ka man papunta.
Tagal lang. Nakakain na.
Seryoso.
Kayo na. Kayo muna.
So, you've been a very good boss or team lead to us. And naging open ka rin sa amin. So, naging magandang example ka din for us. So, sana kahit na alis ka na, bisitahin mo kami. Ganyan. Tapos, manlibre ka naman din paminsan-minsan. Pag Friday, lunch
Iba namin
tayo.
nararamdaman yung libre.
Oo. So, ganun yung pag umaalis, kailangan na nilibre, di ba? Pagbalik mga after mga ilang weeks. Saka sa, ano pa ba? Pagbalik ni Magda, ha? Sabahan mo kami, ha? Yung British accent mo, don't forget. So,
Hi, si Eric from Manila.
First of all, I just want to thank you for all the help, guidance, advice. Seryoso ko. Good luck.
Masisend pala akong ano. Hi, Eric. Good luck. Bye-bye. Thank you for
Everything.
Editing.
Ito na ang gugulo eh.
Eric, di pa ako tapos.
Taluan lang kami.
Eric, ano ba yan? Nakalimutan ko na naman eh. Ikaw muna.
Eric, kung saan ka mapupunta, sige doon ka na lang. Hindi. Kung pumunta ka man ng ibang bansa or saan man, good luck on your journey. Tapos, huwag makalimot, nasa Facebook lang kami. And, yun. Alfred?
Good luck. Yun lang. Sana the next time na makita ka namin is pumayat ka na.
Pagbutihan mo yung 360 gym mo, ha? Para maging kasi payat ka ni Xavier.
Pwede na rin. Okay. Basta, God bless. From all of us.
Eric, I'm very sad that you're leaving, but I know that life have greater plans for you. Basically, I just want to thank you for working with us. Salamat sa mga tulong mo nung nasa DPG Loans pa tayo. I know that you know that we had some, I have some issues before, and you really helped me to get over it. And I really appreciate your supervision. So yeah, I just hope that you enjoy your youth and that you achieve all your plans, and you take risks as yeah. So I'm actually lost for words. So and please stay chubby. Mas bagay sa yung mataba.
Contradicting.
Kita-kita mo naman siya kaya.
Yeah, that's it. Bye.
Hi, Eric! Buti na lang nagpagupit ka. May time ako para mag-message for you. Well, I'll miss you. We'll miss you. And kung pupunta ka man ng London, kung lilibot ka man sa buong mundo, or pupunta ka sa ibang kumpanya, good luck. And bye-bye. God bless.
Go. Hi, Eric. Ganun sabihin ko sa'yo. Mamimiss kita. Paano na ang Porky and Eric love team? Umaasa pa lang ng mga friends ko. Pero ngayon, mas malaki yung opportunity kasi wala ka na sa office. Pwede tayo mag-sneaky-sneaky. Pero totoo, mamimiss ka namin. Tsaka, thank you for being a good SA to us. And sobrang iba ka kasi hindi ka mahirap pakisamahan at hindi ka mahirap maging boss. Sana kung lilipat ka, pasabi ka naman sa amin. Pag yumaman ako, bibigyan kita nito. Promise. Pag yumaman ako. Pag hindi, kiss na lang. Mamimiss ka namin, Eric. Bye!
Eric, hello! Hello talaga!
Hi!
Ako daw ang una mag-message. So, Eric, good luck on your wherever you'll be. Thank you sa phone. I'll treasure this forever. Bilang token ng friendship natin. Thank you. Leslie.
Si Mehar muna.
Sige.
Hi, boy! We're gonna miss you. We wish you all of the best, and we know that wherever you go, you're gonna be successful. God bless always. Pwede ba
You're going places, boy.
Good luck and God bless! Ang takdol na
Hi, Eric. I know goodbyes are not always easy, so I'm not going to say goodbye, but I just really wish that you'll find, whatever you're looking for, so that you are happy, and take care wherever you are. Sana ma-miss mo rin kami dito. I'm very thankful that you've been part of this team. You're a pioneer of the clearing team, and I really appreciate all the help that you've given me and also your team. Maaasahan ka talaga. So I hope wherever you are, you take care of yourself, and I'm sure that we will still see each other. Okay? Wala palang babay, sorry.